Alright, so these snowmen moving, like actually going to this 0 point here, is a very new feature. Them turning is a little bit more uh, expected. The new feature of them moving is still a little buggy. I wanted to say just never mind them, but I'm gonna shoot them. And you can see they explode where they're hit, like there's black for the hat. And they also get the red damage taken. When they lose all their life, they explode like that. So anyway, now they're gone, so they won't bother my explanation. So there's this world here. And this world was a image that was quickly scanned into tiles that were 16 by 16. To do that, we go to world, we say new, we say load and scan image to world. So here's the world that I scanned. I could reset the world by doing it again, but instead, here's where I would pick my picture, and I want to do that, but here's where I would pick my tile size, where to start in the world, and where to end. If it's 0, 0, it's the whole world. Okay, in this case, it's not the whole world, because there's a legend over here on the image, and I just cropped that out by saying don't read that far. Anyway, this all gets sent to MapParser, because it says use MapParser here. It's going to go ahead and try to use the fastest version of figuring this out. Otherwise, it has to read each image of the tile world, it has to read each tile size of the world and then compare it against all the other ones to see if what it just sampled as a tile is unique or not. If it's unique, it's going to add it to the tile list, and if it's not unique, it's going to add whatever tile it's the same as. So in this case, tree here, if this was also a tree, you know what, I'm confusing myself. But anyway, this is tile 1, yeah, let's just say it's tile 1, and then this is also tile 1, this is also tile 1, and then this is tile 0, which it's already found there, and so it only added 2 tiles to do that. Anyway, let's I'm actually going to pick a new image. Alright, I'm going to get out of towns. Let's go to Dragon Warrior 3 Overworld. So here is that map, and I'm not scanning the whole world, so I'm going to say scan the whole world, because this image I happen to know that's how I want to do it. So anyway, use MapParser, and I'm going to confirm that. It's calling MapParser, it's giving it the information I just gave it, and it's hopefully going to not break and show back up any second. It looks like it will. Okay, so that was MapParser doing its thing. Now there's some errors here because of transparent colors, and there's ways that I can fix that really easily. I can iterate through all the tiles and change the background color so that it's no longer transparent, but I'm not going to do that right now. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this world thing that I was just at before, and I'm going to say to do that without using MapParser. I'm going to say use the built-in function, and that's this dialog. So it knows that the height is going to be this many tiles, and it's doing it. So this is the Y. This is what it has to do all the X per Y, and that's why it's slow, because it's iterating through all those tiles, and it will finish, and it will do this, and it will convert the image into a world and tile array. It's just very slow. I don't even know if I should finish this video this way. I mean, I want to, but like I'm gonna go on a minute here just doing this. Now I can actually cancel. I think it's built in so that I can cancel this, and what it will do is only give me the first 16, which is just neat. I mean, I guess it's dumb, but so anyway, it did that for a minute, and let's go to 20 height. So now there's 20 height. I said cancel, and hopefully that old feature of its, yeah, there it is. There's the first 20 tiles, right? Or the first 20 in the Y, in height. So it did that. It says there's more tiles than I think there actually are. Yeah, it didn't find all of these tiles. I think this needs to be reset, and it's not, because I don't normally do this, because I would consider this a failed attempt. Oh, so anyway, thank you for watching the video. I hope I explained what MapParser is for.